Exquisite Centex floor plan on a huge corner lot in White Rock Estates. Start from a huge covered porch entryway, well-maintained, gigantic room sizes in all bedrooms and living space. From the entry, you welcomed by a long foyer, office with French doors, formal dining, open floor concept living room cook while entertaining, that opens up to the kitchen with an island, lots of cabinets, beautiful countertops, with stainless steel energy-efficient appliances, and double oven. Move to an elegant main-level master suite, with a shower, garden tub, 2 walk-in closets, and a bath. Upstairs, invites you to a game media room prewired for surrounding system, 3 huge bedrooms that accommodates California king sizes, with a full bath, guest vanity, and a linen closet.